this is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am going to show you how I take a basic, boring looking mirror and turn it into a glam, expensive looking type of mirror. If you are interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Here we are all about creating beautiful, glam and happy homes. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload a new video. Okay guys, come, let me show you something. This mirror here is a very beautiful mirror. I really like it. However, I paid $120 for it. $120 for it, you guys. Let me show you another one. This one here that has been sitting on the floor, I paid $80 for it, guys. But what about if we can do our own DIY mirror and we pay a fraction of the cost? Let me show you. We can do our own little DIY up here and look at the glam in this one. And it can cost us as little as $25, give and take. Would you like to see how I do that? Come on over. Let's start by putting some tape around the mirror to protect it. We're gonna be using some quash glass mirror, glitter, matte patch, glam wrap from Amazon, Gemstone from any craft store, and hot glue gun from Amazon. We're gonna start by putting a generous amount of matte patch on the frame of the mirror. I'm using a small paintbrush to spread the matte patch on the frame. I am spreading the quash glass mirror on top of the matte patch. I am using a plastic fork to help me spread the quash glass mirror better. I'm gonna continue with the process until I do all 4 sides. I'm cleaning the side of the frame, removing any matte patch residue or quash glass mirror. By the way, I used 2 of this container of the quash glass mirror. To seal the quash glass mirror on the frame, I'll go back and putting a large amount of matte patch on top of it. I am spreading it all over. I'm gonna repeat the process on all 4 sides and let it dry overnight. It took it 2.5 days for it to dry completely. I'm checking for any loose quash glass mirror or any spike that can hurt someone. Then I wasn't sure how I want it. I put the ribbon at the bottom and put some gemstone on top of it. I didn't like it much. The glitter idea came to my mind, but I did not have silver glitter. I only have gold glitter. I spread some on top of it just to see how it looks like. I didn't like it either. And then I realized it might be best to put the stones on the side of it, on the bottom and on top. Then I also realized it would have been best to cover the entire mirror with the masking tape to protect it. Now I am afraid that the mirror may get scratched or the glue residue may be very difficult to be removed. Putting the stone at the edge of the mirror was the easiest. I felt like it was a very therapeutic process. My younger son was helping me as well. As you can see, it is a very simple process and super duper easy. I removed the gold glitter before putting the bottom stumps. Guess who was helping me? Introducing the one and only Mr. Amir Charles. Yes guys, he has been wanting to say hello to you guys for a very long time. I'm so glad he finally get to say hello. Now we are gluing the gems at the bottom. I am removing any loose quash mirror. Now I'm looking at the corners. I realized that they need more quash mirrors, so I'm putting some matte podge and then we're going to be spreading some more quash mirror. I am repeating the exact same thing in the upper corner. Now I'm spreading some glitter on the fresh matte podge. I am collecting the extra glitters and the quash mirror for future need. Then more matte podge to seal the glitter and the new added quash mirrors. This time I let it sit for another day. When I woke up the next day, it was looking really good. I would like to share with you guys, for my 200 subscriber milestone, I'm giving away some fantastic gifts. Feel free to check them out. The link for the video will be on the description box. Now back to the DIY. I cut a piece of the glam wrap and put it on the outer side of the frame using my glue gun. This is what the wrap look like around the frame. We're going to pat it one more time to make sure that there is no loose end and there are no dangerous pieces. I don't have this on camera, but I did stand the mirror and shake it. I use nail polish remover to remove the glue residue, followed by Windex to bring the shine back. After a good clean, we are done. Let's compare it with the $120 mirror. Come on, I would take the DIY mirror any time of the day. It was a super easy DIY. It took me a little bit longer because I did not know what I was doing. I hope this DIY inspires you to go ahead and create your own magical glam mirror. Please like this video and put a comment below. And remember to share it with your friends and your family. Our goal is to get to 500 subscribers at the end of this month. Please show your love by subscribing if you like what you see so far. And don't forget to check out the giveaway. It will end on April 14th. On the screen right now are some videos that I think that you might be interested in. Please feel free to check them out. I thank you for watching today. Please stay blessed and be safe. I love you and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.